Hello students, I hope you all are fine and doing your studies at your home. I'm here back again with a revisional videos of your subject social study. So my dear students, in our today's video we are going to cover unit 1, our body. So we are going to discuss about the two chapters, that is our body, and then next one is our body needs food. So students, without wasting any time, let's do the revision of chapter number first, that is our body. So my dear students, in this chapter you had studied about the sense organ and their functions, and also some organs of the human body like brain, heart, lungs, and so on. So my dear students, let's work out. So here word meaning of chapter first is given below. So the first word is sense. The meaning of word sense is feel or experience. Next one is heart. So students, the part of our body that pumps blood to the different part of our body. Next one is lungs, the part of our body that help us breathe. Stomach, the part of our body that help us digest. Brain, the part of our body that controls all other parts. The last word is bones. So students, they are hard and strong part of our body. Now students, filling the blanks from this chapter. Here you have to fill the given blank by writing the suitable words in the given blank. First one is we see with our, so students, you know very well, we see with our eyes. Now next one is we taste with the help of our tongue. Third, our skin helps us feel. Fourth, our blood carries food and oxygen. So students, what our blood carries? Food and oxygen to each part of our body to keep it healthy. Fifth, our lungs help us breathe. So students, what's the function of the lungs is? Breathe out. Next one is question number 2, that is mark the following as true or false. Correct the ones that are false. So students, here few statements are given. Here we have to mark true or false and correct the ones that are false. So students, here first statement is we sense sound using our nose. So students, this statement is false. Now students, we are going to correct this statement. We sense sound using our ear, not by nose. So students, here this is the correct statement for this statement. Now next one is our sense organs give our body shape and protect the inner body parts. So students, this statement is also false, and the correct statement is our sense organs help us understand the world around us. Students, look here, our sense organs. The students, our sense organs help us to sense the world around us, like our eyes help us see, our ears help us hear, our nose help us smell, and our tongue help us taste, and our skin help us feel. So students, in many different ways our sense organ help us. Now students, next statement, third one, We use the brain to see, smell and hear. So students, this statement is also false, and the correct statement for this statement is our brain controls all body parts. So students, our brain is the most important part of our body because it tells all the other parts of our body what to do. So that means our our brain controls all body parts. Now students, fourth, the food that we eat goes into our heart. So students, this statement is also false because the food that we eat goes into our stomach, not in our heart. Now students, let's come to the question number 3rd from this chapter, that is choose the correct answer. So students, first one is our heart lies inside the, so here options are chest, head and stomach, and here we have to choose the correct answer for this question or this sentence. So students, you know very well our heart lies inside the chest, so here option number is correct for this statement. Now next one is our internal parts are protected by our, options are brain, legs or bones. So here the correct option will be bones. Third, the food we eat is broken down into simple substances in our, options are stomach, lungs and heart. So students, as you know that the food that we eat goes into our stomach, so then after it our stomach breaks the food down into simple substances that the body can use. So in this way our correct option will be option number A, stomach. Now fourth, our brain lies inside the, so students, you know very well our brain lies inside the head. Now students, let's come to the question answer of this chapter. So students, look here, answer the following question. First question is, what are sense organs? Explain the function of any two sense organs. So students, the part of our body that helps see, hear, feel, smell and taste are known as sense organs. So students, here you have to explain any two sense organs function. So students, here eyes and ear are the two sense organ, and you know very well there are 5 sense organ, that are eyes, ear, nose, skin and tongue. So here we have to write only function of any two sense organs. So that are eyes, our eyes help us see. Second one, ears, our ears help us hear. Now second question, what does the heart do, not that heart do? Answer, our heart pumps blood to different parts of our body. Now third question, explain the role of the stomach in our body. The students, here answer will be our stomach breaks the food down into simple substances that the body can use. Now the last question, why is the brain called the most important part of our body? So students, brain is called the most important part of our body because brains control all the body part. Now students, let's come to the chapter 2, that is our body needs food. So here word meaning are given. First word is energy. So the meaning of energy is the power to do work, or you can say that ability to do work is called energy. The next one, vegetarian, a person who does not eat meat, fish and eggs. Non-vegetarian, a person who eats meat, fish or eggs. Next word is raw, it means not cooked. Protect, it means safe. Now students, question number first from this chapter is filling the blanks. So here you have to write the suitable words on the given blank to complete the sentences. So the first one is milk and eggs are bodybuilding foods. So these are the example of bodybuilding foods. And so students, do you know what are bodybuilding foods? So students, you know very well, those food items helps our bodies grow are bodybuilding food. Now next one, curd and paneer are two examples of milk products. Third, fruits and vegetables are protective foods. And you know very well about protective foods. Those food items protect us from diseases are called protective foods, like fruits, vegetables and nuts. Fourth, the food eaten between two proper meals is called a snack. Next, nuts and fruits are two food that can be eaten raw. Now students, mark the following sentences as true or false. Sugar is a bodybuilding food. This statement is false. Next, fruit protect us from diseases. Yes, this statement is true because fruits are protective foods. Third, vegetables make our teeth stronger. False. Dinner is the first meal of the day. False. We can eat lentils raw. This statement is also false. Now students, let's come to the question answer of chapter number 2. Answer the following questions. So students, look here. First question, why do we need food? We need food to live and grow. Or you can say that we need food because it gives us energy and help us grow and protect us from diseases. Next one is, what are the three main types of food? What is the importance of each? There are three types of food: energy giving food, bodybuilding food and protective food. So students, here the importance of these food groups are given below. First one is energy giving food, gives us energy. Second, bodybuilding food help our bodies grow. Third, protective food protect us from diseases. Now students, third one, what is the difference between vegetarian and non-vegetarian people? So students, some people eat meat, fish and eggs. They are called non-vegetarian. And people who doesn't eat meat are called vegetarian. Now students, what are the three main meals that we eat in a day? Write briefly about each. So students, there are three main meals: breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast in the morning, it is the first meal of the day. Lunch, we have lunch in the afternoon, it is also called midday meal. And dinner, we have dinner at night and it is known as last meal, or we can say that supper. It is known as supper. Question number 5, what is the balanced meal? Why should we eat balanced meal? So students, the definition for balanced meal and why should we eat balanced meal? Answer is, a meal which has rice, dal, vegetables, curd and fruit is called a balanced meal. We should eat balanced meal because it makes us strong, help us grow and protect us from diseases. So students, this was the question answer of this chapter. I hope you understood all the exercises very clearly by the help of this video. Now students, it's homework time. Learn and write word meaning in your CW and HW copy. Learn and write question answer in your SW copy, and you have to write the exercises A, B, C, D in your CW as well as in your SW copy. So students, you have to prepare these questions or these exercises from both chapter. Now bye and take care.